So we are building a dangerous fumes extractor. At the electronics area, we tend to work with lots of components, and sometimes when we take a bunch of components, we use a heat gun applied to like a large area. It will generate a lot of fumes, and we wanted a way of encapsulating those fumes and taking it out so that it's safe for the employees. Here are some of the steps we've taken to build a simple yet effective dangerous fumes extractor. So the part behind me is way too large for our standard brake, so we purchased a brand new brake from Harbor Freight. Let's see, I'm hoping it does the job. So here it is, this is how it looks. It's just like a 4-foot box by 1 foot wide, and maybe 7 inches tall. Okay. So we had to make this a little stronger, so we modified the design a little bit by bending the edge of this. Now we're ready for sandblasting. Unfortunately, the scooper made out of plastic that allows us to pick up the abrasive so that we can filter the sand, it broke. But we're making one out of metal. The welds are really beautiful, much stronger. With a little bit of installation and testing, it actually works pretty good.